Cheers!
Today, I'm going to show you soju hacks that are super easy and fun to make at home.
Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다.
Now, for those of you that are new to Modern Pepper is a Korean cooking channel that offers instructional Korean cooking lessons for authentic Korean recipes as well as Korean fusion recipes. So please do consider subscribing. 맛있는 한식 요리와 한식 퓨전 요리를 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. 구독 버튼 꼭 눌러주세요.
So today we are at my friend Lola's beautiful home and look at this gorgeous bar. I mean, it is so gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah, I'm a little jelly. Just a little jelly. Lola, where are you?
Hi!
So what are you going to show us today?
I'm going to show you a soju hack that is going to change everything for you. It's so easy, it's so refreshing.
Ooh, I like refreshing. Show me.
So simple. Take your soju.
I love that sound.
So take your lemon, roll it around to make it nice and juicy. Take the top from the soju, put it on the end, and press and turn.
Nice.
So just a couple drops in each shot of soju makes it delicious, refreshing, and fun.
Cheers! There we go.
GunBheh.
You're right, GunBheh everyone, not cheers. You like?
Refreshing.
Yeah? All right, let's have a taste. It's extra refreshing, everyone. Super easy. So what's next?
It's time for soju shot pyramid.
What? What is that?
Arrange 6 shot glasses like so. Then take 3 more. Stack them.
Huh.
1 at the top.
Yay. And?
Are you ready for this?
I am ready.
Okay. Start filling at the top of the pyramid.
Ooh la la. I love it.
Just like this.
Oh, so fancy. I love it. I love it.
Ready, Helen?
I sure am.
GunBheh.
GunBheh. GunBheh, everyone. I think it's extra tasty because it's soju pyramid shots. What do you think?
It's just what I needed.
So Lola, do you have any more soju tricks that you want to show us?
Now we're gonna make a soju bombs.
폭탄주? Wow. Show us.
Now we're gonna make 5 soju bombs. So you need 6 glasses and 5 shot glasses. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Take your beer. So start filling your first glass with some cold, refreshing beer.
Ooh. Oh, this is so exciting.
We have 5 glasses of beer, 5 shots of soju, and 1 empty glass. The empty glass is our pacer glass. So you take your shot of soju and line the first one up on the pacer glass and the first glass of beer, and then move on down the line.
it's time to drop the bomb.
Yay! I love it!
Perfect.
폭탄주 has exploded!
Down the hatch.
Down the hatch.
GunBheh.
건배.
Woo! Woo! Delicious.
소주 bomb 폭탄주 여러분. I feel annihilated already. No, I'm just kidding. So, Lola, who taught you all these soju tricks?
Modern pepper, of course.
All right, so I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to make soju cocktails that does not require cocktail shakers or anything whatsoever. We're going to use sek grape juice and Korean pear juice. These are OG, like I grew up drinking these when I was a little girl, and you can buy this at Korean supermarkets. These are grapes with the skin off, and I don't know how they take the skin off, but yeah, this is really yummy. It's tangy and sweet. About 2/3 shot of soju, it's about 2 ounces. And then top it off with some club soda. Mint leaves, bruise it in your hand a little bit, and then go around the rim. Drop it in here. Take a spoon. So you should always taste your cocktails as you make it. Oh, I just got some on my shirt, but this is so refreshing. The grape juice is not at all sweet. I mean, slightly. So with the mint and soju and club soda, oh, it's really good. Okay, next one. Pour about 2/3 and top it off with a little bit of club soda and a shot of soju. About 2 ounces. And then we need a lemon zest. Twist it on top to release the oil and then go around the rim. And in goes. And taste. Oh, this is good too. I mean, you can't really taste the alcohol much, but the lemon with the pear juice, it's a subtle, sweet, zesty combination. Super easy to make. Double fisting is not recommended, but if you must, you must. GunBheh, everyone. So Lola, should we share with everyone what happens at cocktail number 1?
Sure. Cocktail number 1, ladies of leisure start to feel demure.
Demure.
GunBheh!
Come back. Round 1.
Good girl. And what happens at cocktail number 2?
Ladies start to feel the music.
Ooh.
Shot, 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 shot. Modern pepper.
Oh, I love you guys.
Happy holidays to you.
And what happens at cocktail number 3?
I wouldn't know. A lady likes to keep it classy.
Classy.
Soju, soju, soju.
Soju Bombs.
That's how it's done, folks. Cheers. Safe
And happy holidays.
to you. Thank you for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
See you in my next video.